shell tool has also been completely revised for version 9.5 and offers a lot of very useful features. So let's take a look at how it works. Simply select the shelling tool, and you can pick on any one or multiple surfaces that you want to shell from. So for this example, we're going to shell from the top surface. So I'll pick this one, and then pick the overall thickness. So let's pick 3.3, and it's shelled all of those equally from this top surface. Okay, you can also do a custom thickness on various faces. So if you go into edit mode, you'll see these little blue dots that affect the different distances for each face, or thicknesses for each face. So I can just select on one and just click and drag, and you can go inside or outside, so you can create variable thickness for any one of the faces of the shell. You can also use this tool now as kind of a push-pull editing process for some of the geometry that you want to create. The previous surface and solid offset tools have now been combined into one tool, which makes it a little bit easier to understand and create an offset without having to worry about two separate tools that essentially did the same thing. So we've rewritten them, and we've added some new functionality which we think will be very helpful. So let's pick on the surface offset tool. I'm going to pick this object, which is really combine surfaces together into one. You can also pick more than one surface, so if you wanted to offset multiple surfaces at the same time, you can now do that. And pick the offset distance. So I will select -0.3 to go to the inside, and now I have an offset to the inside. And you can also now thicken the object, which will essentially create a solid object from, in this case, just the original surfaces. You can also choose which faces you want to lock, or which faces you want to keep. So if I really just wanted to offset this top surface, and I really wanted to ignore the surface that was involved in the previous combine, you just go into edit parameter mode and then select on whichever face that you want to exclude from the offset. Pretty easy.